Hello everyone. Today, let's break down what the Terafab AI chip project is and why it matters. The AI race is no longer just about who has the best model, it is now about who can build more chips, secure more power, and connect that compute to robots and data centers at scale. That is why Terafab matters. First, let's separate GPU, TPU, and Terafab. A GPU is the standard AI engine today. It is flexible, widely used, and Nvidia still dominates this layer. A TPU is Google's custom AI accelerator. It is built specifically for AI workloads and is becoming more important not just inside Google, but also through Google Cloud. But Terafab is different. It is not a chip like a GPU or a TPU. It is a production system. It is about building the chips, powering them, and connecting them to real industries. According to Reuters, Terafab is Elon Musk's large-scale AI chip project involving Tesla, SpaceX, and now Intel. The plan includes processors for cars, humanoid robots, and AI data centers, with a long-term goal tied to 1 terawatt of compute production per year. That is why this project is bigger than one semiconductor headline. It suggests AI is becoming a full industrial build-out. Now, what does this mean for Nvidia? This is not simply Intel versus Nvidia. Nvidia is still the leader in general-purpose AI GPUs. But Terafab represents something different. Instead of buying more standard GPUs, large AI players may want to control their own chip production systems directly. That means the real shift is not just about better chips. It is about reducing dependence on Nvidia's platform and moving toward vertically integrated AI infrastructure. This also matters for several industries at once. It matters for semiconductor manufacturing, because it involves chip production, packaging, and memory. It matters for robotics, because part of the project is aimed at cars and humanoid robots. It matters for data centers and power, because massive compute capacity needs electricity, cooling, land, and infrastructure. And in the long term, it could even matter for space infrastructure, because Musk has linked part of the project to space-based AI data centers. For Intel, this is important too. Intel is still trying to rebuild confidence in its foundry business, so joining a high-profile Musk AI project gives it a chance to look relevant again as a manufacturing partner in the AI era. So the conclusion is simple. GPU is the standard engine. TPU is Google's specialized engine. Terafab is the production system meant to manufacture and connect those engines to the real world. That is why Terafab matters. It shows that AI competition is expanding beyond software and into a much bigger fight over factories, power, robots, and data centers.